Now, yes. So, dear children, again, good morning to all of you. Very good. Ready? Yes, sir. So, dear children, our new chapter we are going to start here. That is chapter named Light. Chapter 13. That is our chapter named Light. You know, light is a very important part of our life. Is it clear? Yes, sir. So, dear children, in this chapter, our learning objectives are, in this chapter, our learning objectives, what are that? The learning objectives are, what are the laws of reflection of light? Likhiye. What are the laws of reflection of light? What are the laws of reflection of light? Second one, how are images formed by a plane mirror? How the image formed by the plane mirror, ये हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. Today we are going to see what are the laws of reflection. So these are the learning objectives here for today's lesson plan. What is light? I want to introduce this concept first. So what is the meaning of light? So dear children, light, as you know, it is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy that help us to see the things around us. Due to light, sunlight, due to artificial light, we can see you, you can see me. Is it clear? So light is a form of energy. Our eyes, जो हमारी आंखें, our eyes perceive an object. Okay, this is bottle. Due to this light, I can identify. So our eyes perceives an object only when light bounces off. Light उसके ऊपर गिरती है, and then due to reflection, that reflection comes into our eyes, and that's why we can see. That's why we can see, my dear children. Okay. So here are the important characteristics of light. Here are the two important characteristics of light that you have learned in 7th class also. First one, rectilinear propagation. Rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. In which, suppose this is a glass. You take a glass, or light passes like this in this manner. This thing, a light goes, incident ray light. If the light incident ray falls on a glass surface, that is going rectilinear propagation of light. एक straight line में चल रही है. Yes. Mute. Yes. So this is an example of rectilinear propagation of light. Light travels in a straight line. लिखो बच्चों. Light travels in a straight line. लिखिए. Light travels in a straight line here. When light strikes any object, say glass. When light strikes any object, say glass, here, then depending upon the properties of this object, glass की अपनी properties होती है. So depending on the properties of glass, light may pass through straight or get reflected, or it may be get reflected. अगर opaque surface है तो transparent surface है तो that will rectilinear propagation of light. Second one is reflection of light. Second one लिखिए reflection of light. Second one is reflection of light. Here, when light strikes an opaque object, suppose here the incident ray are coming and falling on a wood. Say this is wood. This is the surface. Here you can see wood. When light strikes an opaque object like that of wood, जब इस पर लाइट गिरेगी बच्चों, it is bounced off or reflected. And when this reflected light reaches our eyes, an image of the object, जो ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज होती बच्चों, image of the object can be seen and we can see the object. So this is the property of light. I hope all of you have understand. Yes?
Yes,
समझ में आया?
sir.
Now, तो लिख लो ये सारी चीजें.
Yes, sir.
अब हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही important article that will come in your examination. That is laws of reflection of light. Yes, write down laws of reflection of light. My dear children, laws of reflection. Here we are going to see what is that, how reflection occurs. So my dear children, the phenomenon of reflection have some principles. That's why we may call them as the laws of reflection or the study of light which we are learning here. जो हम अभी पढ़ रहे हैं ना बच्चों, वो फिजिक्स की एक ब्रांच है, उसको बोलते हैं ऑप्टिक्स. लिख लो ये नाम नया. The things which we are learning here or the branch of physics which we are learning today is called optics. बोलो क्या कहते हैं बच्चों?
Optics.
Very good.
Optics.
तो ऑप्टिक्स इसका नाम है बच्चों. Here I am going to explain the laws of reflection. Here, suppose my dear children, a mirror is there. This is mirror. Here, you can see. Here you can see that mirror. A reflection is there. Here देखिए, ये. This is mirror. और in that mirror, जब हम ऐसे देखते हैं, तो we can see our image. You can also see your image here. Here देखिए, ये उल्टा दिख रहा है मेरे को ये. Chalk is in my right hand, but in your side you can see here. तो बच्चों, this is mirror. और ये जो मैंने डॉट डॉट लगाए ये ओपेक है, ये पीछे पेंट किया हुआ है. See that this is painted. ये जो पेंट किया हुआ है इसको मैंने ये किया है. ये here in this mirror, suppose mirror is put like this in this form and we are drawing here a normal. ये normal है, एक straight line बनाइए. ऐसे देखिए आप ये. A light is coming in this manner. A light is coming, say here. Here it is a normal. The light is coming in this manner and get reflected in this manner. Here. Draw this figure. Here, this is mirror. So when the light incident light, ये जो रे आ रही बच्चों ये इंसिडेंट रे कहलाती है. इंसिडेंट रे से OA. और ये जो एंगल है, एंगल बच्चों यू हैव टू मेजर एंगल थ्रू नॉर्मल. इधर से मेजर करेंगे, इधर से नहीं करेंगे आप. ये कहलाता है एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. जितना एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस होगा, here if you measure the angle from the normal, ये कहलाएगा एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. दिस पॉइंट इज A और इसको मान लीजिए A डैश, ये नॉर्मल है. एंड द रे रिफ्लेक्टेड अलोंग AB, दिस इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. दिस इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. तीन चीजें आ गई अपने पास. फर्स्ट वन देखिए, here the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. This is called first law of reflection. What is this बच्चों? First law of reflection. लिख लो. लिखो the angle of incidence. लिखिए first law. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Now, ये जो बच्चों इंसिडेंट रे है, ये OA is the incident ray carrying light from the source of the object. यहां से लाइट आ रही है. जिस भी सोर्स से लाइट आ रही है वो कहलाती है इंसिडेंट रे. Here OA, here it is the reflected ray OB. OB लिखो, OB is the reflected ray, reflected light from the object. This is the light is reflecting here, that's why it is called reflected ray. Okay, here the angle I, देखो angle I you can see here, this one. तो लिखो angle I, that is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. This is the angle in between incident ray and normal. This is called angle of incidence. Here, इसके और इसके नॉर्मल के बीच में आ रहा है. This is our normal. Here is the reflected ray or reflected angle. That is the angle in between the reflected ray and the normal. That is called angle R. Angle R is called angle of reflection. Angle R is called angle of reflection. Okay? So according to this incident angle and reflected angle and normal, तीन चीजें देख रहे हो आप यहाँ पर. लिखो second law. What is this? What is the second law? लिखो second law is the incident ray. Write down the incident ray, comma, reflected ray and normal. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal. लिखो and normal at the point of incidence. ये point of incidence क्या था बच्चों? At the point of incidence, all lie in the same plane. All lie in the same plane. So we can see in our book there are two activities. Easily we can do it. You take a mirror and stand like this. Mirror को ऐसे रखिए आप. एक नॉर्मल ड्रॉ करिए. एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इधर से आप रे आएगी. सपोज यू पुट टू ऑल पिन्स हियर. ये टू ऑल पिन्स लगा दिए आपने यहाँ. दैट ऑल पिन्स अगर आप इधर से देखेंगे ड्यू टू मिरर इज देयर तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे यहाँ मिलेगी आपको. This activity easily you can do at your home. Then the light is coming say from torch. This is torch. Light is coming and it is reflecting back. These are the activities we can perform. तो बच्चों image formed by a plane mirror लिखो. Image formed by a plane mirror जो मैंने आपको अभी बताया था प्लेन मिरर. लिखो इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय एन प्लेन मिरर. व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स? फर्स्ट, virtual image is there. First thing that we can say here, virtual image we are getting. The reflected ray from the object in front of a mirror never actually intersect at a point, so we get only virtual image is there. Virtual image, लिखो virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen. Virtual image cannot be, काल्पनिक हो गया. Virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen. Second one is same size. जैसा मेरा चेहरा है वैसे ही दिखाई देगा आपको. अभी अभी हमने देखा प्लेन मिरर में जो इमेज बनेगी, the image formed in a plane mirror is of the same size as the object. Suppose I am the object, तो मेरी ऐसी कैसी इमेज बनेगी उसमें, सेम साइज. थर्ड वन, इरेक्ट, सीधी इमेज बनेगी. From a plane mirror we are getting erect image, upright. Fourth one, and laterally. Fourth one I can say here, laterally inverted. Laterally inverted. सर ये क्या होता है laterally inverted? The image formed, लिखो, is laterally inverted means it is reversed from left to right. उल्टा दिख रहा है. देखो, it is reversed from left to right. It is reversed from left to right. Laterally inverted. Again you can see here. You see that? मेरे हाथ में जो चौक है, it is in my right hand. But in this mirror you see.
Yes, sir.
It is called laterally inverted. क्या कहलाएगा बच्चों?
Laterally inverted.
Okay, लिख लीजिए. And fifth one is position. Fifth one is position. The image formed is as behind in the mirror as is the object. As is the object in front. जितना हम सामने दूर है उतना ही पीछे इमेज बनेगी. लिख लो. The position of the image. What is that? Here, write down. The image formed is as behind. लिखो. The image formed is as behind in the mirror as is the object in front. जितना आप आगे हैं मिरर से दूर उतना ही पीछे इमेज बनेगी. So these are the 5 characteristics. Easily we can observe the image formation. मैंने अभी आपको एक्टिविटी करके बताई by a plane mirror. You can do again. Here, this activity in your book. See that again. This is older. ये देखिए दूर ले जाइए आप इसको. जैसे जैसे मिरर को दूर ले जाएंगे आप, पास में लाइए. So we can get the image formation by a mirror. Here you can see. ये देखिए दूर ले जाइए आप. ये दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
easily we can observe like this. Here. So this is the simple activity which we can do. और बच्चों ये जो लाइट आ रही है ये सोर्स ऑफ लाइट कहलाता है टॉर्च. जैसे टॉर्च से लाइट लगाओ मिरर के ऊपर. दिस इज टॉर्च. ओके. यस ये देखो आप ये. This is the source of light. Now, so dear children, this is all about today. If you have any type of question, then you may ask. Now,
Sir, what
tomorrow,
will happen in reflect image?
yes, tomorrow we will discuss the different type of reflection. Yes, that's it. Attendance, okay?
Yes, sir.
राइट डाउन. बोर्ड पर लिखा हुआ लिख लीजिए एक बार. वो वापिस हट रहा हूं मैं, साइड में हो गया. इमेज फॉर्म बाय प्लेन मिरर. इट इज a 2 marks question. Virtual, same size, erect, lateral inverted, and position. Bye.